What's going on, guys? It is Glyn here and I'm back to announce a brand new launch. Now on the 31st of October, we are back with our next blockbuster, Freebie Commissions. Now after paying out over $1 million across Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank, it would be fantastic to have everybody on board with this one, as I'm ready to pay out even more commissions into your PayPals, into your Warrior Plus wallets, wherever it may be. So Freebie Commissions, 31st of October on a Thursday, 9 AM on the Warrior Plus network. In a nutshell, it's an app which is going to allow you guys to create kind of like really mini lead gen funnels to give away some of my best selling products of all time. Now the idea is you're going to be able to build your list from the landing pages you create with the software. You're able to give away a hot selling product for free, premium softwares, premium tools, premium trainings, etc. And then you're able to generate sales and commissions through the upsells, through the upgrades, through the OTOs that are inside the funnels of my already made products. So your customers are able to take advantage of products that I've obviously spent thousands of dollars creating to make money and to build your list. So you build a landing page, an opt-in page, you give away the free product, then you make sales as an affiliate for the upsells and the OTO. So it's a really awesome tool which is going to help your subscribers, your tribe, do a lot of things, and it takes advantage of myself and my team's hard work that we've been doing for years and years. Now this is a formula that I've personally been doing myself in my business for years and years. I have lots and lots of products in my database, in my back catalog, which I actually give away for free. So it's sort of like a lead gen, a lead magnet I give away for free. And obviously, like I said, it helps me build my email list, but also a lot of the people that actually get those products for free, they end up purchasing quite a few of the upsells. So I'm able to generate sort of passive online commissions long-term through this strategy. So it's something that works, and obviously we've built a software around this, around some of the best-selling ones that I've already do this with, but also allows your subscribers to build like the landing page before that, so they can grab the subscribers as well. So as I said, this one goes live on the 31st of October on a Thursday, 9 AM. It would be an honor to have you guys on board to promote this one. I have paid out a lot of money over this year and the past few years really. And you know, I want to help you guys make even more money from now until the rest of the year. And this is another one of our blockbusters. And I'm really excited about this one. I believe this is possibly going to be our best launch to date. You can decide that, and I'm sure the customers will, and how this one goes will decide that. But on this page, if you are on the JV page, you're going to find everything you need to promote this blockbuster, whether it's details about the funnel, email swipes, graphics, access will be on the document, and literally everything else. In terms of cash prizes, we do, as always, offer a lot of cash prizes as an incentive to our affiliates, to you guys, to promote this one. 72-hour contest offering a couple of grand in the main contest, and towards the end we normally offer, you know, cash to affiliates that are able to drive a certain amount of front-end sales. Now you'll be able to find the exact details on the JV page or on the JV document in terms of that, and we usually get a number of affiliates that scoop up a bit of extra cash towards the end of the launch, because obviously traffic dies down a little bit, so it's your opportunity to come in and make some extra cash. Also on this page you're going to find details of how you can contact myself and the other team members of my launch, and literally everything else you need to promote this launch. On the document you should also have everything you need. If there's anything else I've missed out, hit me up as always. I do like to try and provide my affiliates and you guys with as much information as possible to have a successful promotion of this launch. So as always, it's a 7-day launch. So if you can't get on day 1 or day 2, there's always going to be time for you to come in and mail this offer. The sales page is looking incredible. The software is looking really good as always. We put a lot of time, hard work and effort into everything we do here. So this one's 31st of October, 9 AM EST on a Thursday, Warrior Plus. It's a really simple, straightforward app which is going to allow and help your subscribers to build their list by giving away some of my best-selling products and funnels of all time. You're then going to be able to generate sales and commissions as affiliates through the upgrades and OCOs, and also inside the app. So we've got this done for you side of things, but also inside the app you're able to create your own sort of similar funnels from scratch, lead gen funnels to literally promote any affiliate offer online. We've also got a banner ad creator as well to create banners for these offers. There's a lot going on but it's really simple and straightforward, and it follows a strategy and a formula that I've been doing since day one in my business up to right now. I'm making sales with this same formula, but it's more of a cloud-based app version of this system. So if we could have you on board, that would be great. I do want to add to the amount of money I'm paying out in commissions this year with this launch. Let's break some records, guys. Let's get you on board. And if you've got any offers you want me to support, whether it's today, tomorrow, next week, next month, hit me up at any time. I'm always looking for offers to promote. I always want to promote good offers, good products, good services, good software. I want to offer as much to my new audience as always. So hit me up with your offers. I'm ready to reciprocate. And let's have another successful launch. With your help, we can. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the leaderboard.